What's going on? OB from Cyber Cash Classroom. This is the very first video in a series of videos where I'll be documenting my progress going through the $100 million mentorship program that Erik Cagi from Incognito Money has allowed me to become part of. And I'll be talking about all the things I'm doing to make money with the program. I'll be talking about all the actions that I'm taking, all the things that he's teaching me, and all the results I'm getting with the program. And under each video, there'll be a link to join the program. There'll be a link to join the system that I'm a part of. So far, what I've done so far is I have created an Instagram account, actually created 2 Instagram accounts. I've created a brand new TikTok account, and this is a brand new YouTube account. I've got some YouTube accounts elsewhere, but this is brand new YouTube account, which will allow me to document everything that I'm learning from my mentors down to you. Because at the end of the day, it's all about taking what's been passed down and passing it on to the next generation and the next group of people so you can benefit. Because like they say, there's no new ideas, so let's just pass it around. So far I've done that. I just wanted to show you something on my phone. This is my brand new TikTok account. I'm not sure if you can see that. Go Patrick 3. And I created a new video, and in the program, what he's been teaching me is how to model the best TikTok accounts in your niche. And that's exactly what I did. I pretty much modeled, for my very first video, I modeled a popular TikToker, exactly how she did it, exactly the exact kind of text, and I've already got 576 views on this one. This one right here. Not only that, I'm ranking for the keyword Make Money Online 2024. So I'm already ranking for Make Money Online 2024. So you can see me. I'll just switch that off. I'm already ranking for Make Money Online 2024, and that hashtag has 252,000 views already. So this is a hashtag that's about to explode next year in massive popularity, with Make Money Online 2023 currently sitting at 13 billion. So what Erik Cagi is teaching me is incredible so far. I'm loving what he's doing. I'm loving the kind of information he's giving me. And I'll update you with each video of my progress, in addition to other tutorials and things that I'm learning as well. So I'm excited for you to join me on this journey. I'm looking forward to seeing the comments. I'm looking forward to hearing about what you have to say about my journey. And I'm looking forward to just doing this. And again, I can't thank Erik Cagi from Incognito Money enough for this opportunity. And I'm ready to take it to the moon and back. So until the next video, see you next time.